Today we're going to learn about how to make an Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno is one of the most popular microcontroller board in the Arduino family. It is based on Atmega 328 microcontroller and is widely used for electronic projects, prototyping, and learning embedded systems. This is the circuit diagram design using Proteus, featuring an Atmega 328 microcontroller and other essential components for power regulation, input-output interfaces, and clock oscillation. So over here you can see microcontroller at Mega 328. This is the main processing unit of the circuit. It contains multiple input-output ports, timers, and communication interfaces, and it is commonly used uh, in Arduino-based projects. Along with that, we have used several other components such as crystal oscillator, capacitors. It is to provide the clock signal to Atmega, and a voltage regulator, a power supply section, capacitors for power power stabilization. Along with that, we have used LEDs, pull down resistor. Pull down resistor is likely used for the reset or a digital input pin to prevent floating value. So now let's move on to the PCB layout of this schematic. So this image basically represents the printed circuit board layout, and this is the layout which corresponds to the schematic which I previously shared with you. The blue traces basically represent the copper layer, and over here you can see various components which we have used such as resistors, capacitors, voltage regulator, and microcontroller. Obviously, uh, you can see the microcontroller footprints has multiple traces leading out to other components, and crystal oscillator is positioned near the microcontroller. As you can see, there are thicker traces which are likely uh, carrying VCC and ground to ensure the stable power distribution. And you can see the capacitors are placed near the power section to filter the noises. And if you want to visualize this Arduino board in 3D, so that's how you can see it. Now let's move on and create a layout for this project. So this is the layout from which we can further on carry our project. Our next step will be to print this layout on the PCB board. So from that we can then start patching our components.